A Placeit t-shirt design full review. Hey, what's up guys? Bodie here, BodieDavison.com. So today's video, we're gonna go through a Placeit full review and just check out everything about it, the pricing, the features, and just go a bit more in depth into what you get out of Placeit. New to the channel, I like to talk about print on demand and do lots of tutorials like this one, and just cover everything you'll need to be able to begin doing print on demand, and just generally talk about making money online. So make sure you check out the print on demand playlist, the Teespring tutorial playlist, and I have now got a print on demand mastery Facebook group, which is completely free, and that is linked down below, so make sure you join that as well. There's quite a few people in there and the conversation's already flowing. So I've done a couple of videos on placeit.net, and this is pretty much in response to a lot of the questions I've had below the videos, so I just want to cover everything so you guys know what you get out of Placeit and how much it costs. And it's also because Placeit has reached out to me to give me 15% off to my followers, so this is a big opportunity for you guys to be paying less for it, so I thought I would share that with you. Make sure you stay to the end because we will go over the mock-up generator and the logo maker, t-shirt designer, so there's a lot of stuff to cover. Let's get into it. Because Placeit's seen my following growing in the print-on-demand niche and all these Teespring tutorial videos that I'm putting out there, they have actually contacted me with a 15% discount, so this is awesome for you guys. So instead of actually paying the full amount, which is about $15 a month or $99 a year, I believe, you can have that 15% discount. I have that link down below, so it's definitely a good opportunity for you guys that have been skeptical about getting started to be able to take your t-shirt business to the next level with this discount link, so very handy. Make sure to give this video a like for me, it really helps me out. Hit subscribe if you're new, and any questions at all, just drop them in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer you. Just to quickly cover what Placeit.net is for those that are new to the channel and haven't seen my other videos. Placeit.net is an online graphic design tool pretty much, so you don't need Photoshop and you can put your mock-ups onto models. They've got a huge database of models, and then you can also design all of your t-shirt designs and logos on here as well, which will give you a transparent background, and then you can upload them straight to your print-on-demand websites like Teespring, Redbubble, Amazon Merch, etc. But let's just dive into the computer and I'll show you guys exactly how it all works, and we'll cover the pricing and everything else. Okay guys, so here we are on Placeit.net, and we'll just go over the pricing first. So we'll just go up here and click on pricing, and this is going to give you an idea of all the different things that you can do. So as I said, it's $14.95 a month or $99.95 a year, but with my 15% discount, that'll obviously bring it down a bit for you guys. So the world's largest mock-up library with 13,000 plus templates there. You can mock up anything, your image straight away, and change all the colors, change everything. We'll go over this at the end of this video though. And you can even make videos, which I have shown you before, with your mock-ups straight on the models, which is just crazy. It's unbelievable advantage to be able to use on social media. You can even make videos, which is amazing. It's part of this as well. So you can make a video like this, and there's over 2,000 free music tracks. So you can use this for all sorts of things, all sorts of different things, not only a t-shirt business. It really comes in handy for a lot of different things. And you can even make really cool slideshow videos like that. So this is the main thing that we're interested in, is the logo maker, because you can make amazing t-shirt designs that would cost you a lot of money to get drawn up if you were to hire an artist to do this. And then you can download it as a vector, which is really, really high quality. So the best quality you're gonna get to be able to upload straight to a t-shirt. So now I'm logged into my subscription because I paid for the yearly subscription, which brings it down to quite a bit less per month. But as I said, you guys have got that discount code, which I didn't have, but all good, your win, my loss. Anyway, if you don't have the subscription, you can use this website for a few things. They do have some free mock-ups, so you can check that out there. So for instance, you could use this girl here on your social media, and this guy here, you could upload your design onto that as well. And there is a few free things here, but there's not as many as there was. So when you have the paid subscription, you have access to all of these though. So there's a whole range of things down the left here that can go by different tags as well. So Halloween, all sorts of different things, musician, nerd, geek, just unlimited down there. And if we go all the way to the bottom, you can see that there's 283 pages worth of models that you can use to mock up your shirts onto. So The old school way would be you'd actually send out your merch to influencers and they would wear your merch. That is time consuming and costs a lot of money, and that would give you your social proof. You can still do that, but this is just a really quick way to upload your shirts onto models, and then it gives that social proof of people wearing your gear. So the next one along is actually apparel videos. So this is the one that's crazy, which is they can generate your t-shirt design onto a model and it looks like the model is wearing it in real life. So if we look at this guy here, your design can be on that shirt and he'll be wearing it. And same with this one here as well. So you can upload your design to this video and then this guy will be wearing your shirt. And then you have access to this to be able to upload to your social medias, which is huge because now you have models wearing your shirts even though they're not really wearing your shirts. It's massive social proof and it'll get people very interested in buying your t-shirts. So next up we've got hoodies, and then you can go all along there, but I'm not going to go through all of them because look how many there are. You've got mugs, so you can do coffee cups that you don't even have yet, but you could have advertised on your social media platforms, tote bags, hats, packaging, apparel, iPhones, MacBooks, iPads. You can put it on all of these. So really the mockup generator is worth the subscription fee alone, just for that social proof and all the things you can do with it. But there's so many other things that you can do with this, which is just crazy. So one of the big ones is obviously the t-shirt designs here. So you go designs and then t-shirt designs. And then you can go down and you can edit all of these in many different ways. So you can change all the colors, you can change the pictures. There's so many different things you can do. And then there's a lot of these, like so many of these. If we go down to the bottom here, we've got 133 pages worth of ideas. And obviously they come in their different themes down the side here, different tags. So it can be whatever you want to be doing your niche about. So astrology, aliens, basketball, all sorts of stuff. And then you just scroll through and you'll be able to find one that suits your design needs. So let's just click on one here. Let's click on this one and then I'll just show you how you can edit it all. All right, so it pops up here. We can edit the text up here. We can edit the font. We can edit the color. We can edit the color of the circle, the background. We can add our own graphic and edit the whole thing. We can change this image if we wanted that changed to the other ones that they have here as well. So as you see, for you to pay someone to do this design for you would cost you a lot of money and it'd take time. You can make shirt designs instantly on this, and then you can upload these shirt designs straight onto a mock-up model in a video and then post it to your social media and it'll be out there within the hour. The big thing here is obviously you can change your background and go transparent. So now this logo is ready to be uploaded to all of your print-on-demand websites. You can upload it to Teespring, Redbubble, and Merch by Amazon, and Teechip, and whatever else you're on, Sunfrog, all in one go, and have this design uploaded and done in high quality, ready to be printed by whoever your customer is that wants to buy it. So again, while we're still on this page, you can see all of these different things that you can do along here: Instagram stories, YouTube profile pictures, flyers, Twitch templates, Facebook posts, Facebook covers, banner ads. The list goes on and on. You can do phone case designs. You can do so many different things, and this is all on the one website. It really is just the one stop for your complete t-shirt business. So the next thing I want to click on here is logos, and then you have all of these again, but we won't click on any of them. We'll just come down here and we'll go see all our templates. And now, just like on the other pages with the t-shirt designer, all of these are completely customizable and you can create your designs. All of these can be completely customized and you can create some amazing logos and t-shirt designs. So again, if you were to pay someone to do this for you, this would cost you a lot of money. This would cost heaps of money for you to get this designed. And you can just come on here and just create amazing t-shirt designs straight away. So we just change this background to transparent, and now you can change the wording of this and you can upload this as your t-shirt design straight away, because all of these are for commercial use. Once you have that paid subscription, these are all yours to use. So then if you don't like that one, you can change this as well. So let's change that, and then we can change the picture as well. So there's so many different combinations that you can use to create unbelievable t-shirt designs. And imagine paying someone to draw this for you. And then we'll change it one more time. So this is all like scary clowns and stuff. And you can change all the colors on this as well. You can change everything. So it's pretty crazy, guys. It is an unbelievable t-shirt design tool, and it's all for that $15 a month or less if you do the yearly subscription. So then I know I've got a lot of gamers out there, so there's even a gaming tab up here, and you can see all the different things you can make up here. So Twitch, OBS stream overlays, YouTube banners, YouTube thumbnails. You can make so many different things with this, guys. It's absolutely crazy. Then we'll click on videos, and you can make intro videos, slideshows, animated logos, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, promo videos, Twitch screens, YouTube end cards, YouTube ads, t-shirt videos, Facebook covers, product demos. The list goes on and on. So this is all on one thing, and it's just so good for anyone who's launching their t-shirt business, because you can just keep coming back here and getting design after design after design, high quality designs. And yeah, now I've got that 15% discount for you guys to be able to use to utilize this in your t-shirt business. And that is it, guys. I hope that covers most of your questions. I think it should, from all the YouTube comments that I have seen. And it's pretty much one of those things where, yes, it is a paid subscription tool, but as you can see from what I'm showing you in the video, you get so much for that money. So that's why I pay for it myself, as you can see, because I was logged in and going through it all. And I've taken you guys through it in tutorials before. So there is free methods to be able to make all this stuff, like Canva and Typorama, different things like that. If you're good with Photoshop, then you could do it on there, but that would take a long time to be able to be doing mock-ups onto models, things like that. And honestly, I don't think that it's gonna look as good as this unless you're really good at Photoshop. But on this, you can even do those mock-up videos. So it really is, like I've said before, just a one-stop shop for your t-shirt business. And that's why I highly recommend it, because as you can see, the logo designs and that you can do are really, really professional. And if you had to pay someone to create them for you, it would take a lot of time and it would cost a lot of money. And then you're only getting one design and you've wasted so much time and money on that. Whereas you could have just had a subscription service here and been creating heaps of designs and uploading them straight with the transparent background straight onto your print-on-demand websites, and then move on to the next thing, and then post on your social media with a mock-up generator as well. It just is so beneficial, it's crazy. I hope this video helps you out. Make sure you join the free Facebook group, which is linked down below. Please give the video a like for me and hit subscribe. And also check out the print on demand playlist and the Teespring tutorial playlist. Thanks so much for watching.